Okay, these old computer hard disk drives have very powerful rare earth magnets in them. Let's get those out. They have lots of other things we can harvest too, like platinum platters, some recovery gold, but we want these magnets. Let's pull these super strong magnets out. Be careful, they will bite you. They like to bite. We get these platters. We save it all. We're all about environmental. So here's the magnets, and I've got this poplar, half-inch poplar. Two for each magnet bar. One is the front, one is the back. We cut the top out here, just cutting out the shape to fit the magnets inside. And then we're going to cut the same size with a sheet of this recycled or recovered copper that I happen to have. Everything's going to line up. There's the faceplate and the back. Now we're going to set it up and get ready for our magnets, which we are going to use this great stuff, Loctite 5-minute epoxy, quick set. And we're going to start putting the magnets down right onto the copper on the inside. And be careful, they will slide around. There are some tricks you'll have to figure out getting the magnets to stay down and dry before they squiggle all over the place, attracting to each other. Here we go, just epoxying this front plate together, this face plate. You end up with something like that, and the epoxy is super strong, so it will hold these magnets right to that copper for the inside. That's the outside of the faceplate. It's rough. Let's put the whole thing together here. More epoxy. This back plate, we'll put this faceplate right on top. And then, yes, I use clamps. I use these big stones or chunks of metal to hold everything down while it dries. It doesn't take long, maybe like 5 minutes to set. And then you end up with these. Again, they're rough. You're going to be cleaning them up with a file, some sanding, cleaning up all the epoxy. I take this rough file, start cleaning up the edges, getting everything smooth. You don't want it to get splintery. And then I just take a coat of 2-in-1 polyurethane, get a little color on there, clean up the sides. And the fun part, I've got these little Scotch-Brite pads I put into my drill press, and I get these beautiful patterns on all of my metal, my sculptures, mobiles, any of these flat metal panels. You can do it on aluminum, you can do it on steel, and get yourself some great patterns like this one here. And there's the faceplate. The magnets are on the inside, and put some keyhole mounts on the back of this baby, and you want it to secure to the wall like this. Here we go.